Hi everyone, welcome to my channel at Easy Surveys. I hope you are all doing well. In this video, I will quickly show you on how to calculate the area of your plan, of your boundary. Alright, don't forget we have other details on this particular work, okay, which are the contours and the detail with every other spot height and every other thing inside of the plan. So if you do not know how we came about this, please refer back to our previous series on topographic survey. All right, so in this video I want to quickly show you on how to calculate the area of our plan. So therefore I'm going to off the details, I'm going to off some of the things, even just the boundary line and the labeling, the bearing and the distances. All right, so to calculate the area of this particular plan, you will need to scroll to utilities, go to measure, go to area, then make sure that the smooth snap is activated by checking all these: the endpoint, center, node, intersection, extension, insertion, and perpendicular, so that you can be able to pick the particular point. All right, so here I'm going to start from BDP1, boundary point 1. I'm going to go to boundary point 2. I'm going to go to boundary point. Just go clockwise. The way you join your point initially when you were plotting the boundary line is the way you are going to join the pillars by calculating the area. All right, so boundary point 5, boundary point 6, and back to 1. Just make sure that you are on point, back to 1. Then you click on enter on your keyboard. So therefore this is the area 95652.09. so to copy that out, click here, then you are going to copy this here. The area is in square meters. Copy, right? And then you can go to your frame here, right, to paste the area. Right, so the area here is square meter, and I'm just going to Control V, paste square meters. So, and it's going to be in red, right? So that is just how to calculate the area. Please, in the next video we are going to show you on how to scale this plan as well as fit it inside this particular plan. Don't forget to subscribe on this channel as well as hit on the notification bell and share the video to as many as possible to support and encourage us. Thank you. See you next time.